Ladies and gentlemen, partners and friends, thanks to the whole FuturePrint team for the always great organization here in Cambridge. And I'm honored to be speaking in front of so many print industry experts for the next 1.5 hours. Thank you for this. Yeah, just kidding. It's me, this friendly green guy up there, and I'm responsible for Matti, for sales, marketing, and strategic directions. When we have a short look on the agenda, which marks the 4 framework points of the following presentation. About us, that's more or less Matti. We are in the heart of Switzerland, which is remains, by the way, of leading innovation nations in row for the 13th time on the intellectual property organization. We often refer ourselves to internally Lego brick players, and these are exactly these Lego bricks, such as a primer, transport system, print engines, and winder, unwinder, and all the peripheral components from our partners that helps us to bring a proper solution for our customers. We pursue an agnostic approach and work closely in a partnership with the best known manufacturers of print heads, inks, and these mentioned peripheral components. And this is important for pre- and post-treatment and also for the quality control of the print engine. Here you see what is our basic. We came from the OEM systems, and these are our playgrounds, the bricks to playing Lego. When we have a brief look back to how inkjet technology began and how it was perceived, in the beginning the inkjet technology did not only find friends. It was not stable enough. It was inkjet printing just on paper, and but that changed. Also, we have found our way into paper-based printing systems a few decades ago, and started our business as OEM manufacturer for well-known companies. The further developments and where does the technology stand today and what are the requirements? Data processing is very important, the high processing power, the good modulation, then also fluids, pigment evolution is done, ecological and curing diverse colors and pre-treatments, and also in kind of resolution and stability recirculation. These are very important developments today. And here you can see, this is not white snow on a Swiss mountain. This should work. Where we print today on different substrates and surfaces. No, it works. This is wood and cosmetic package. Also security printing on passports, flexible packaging, cables, caps for drinking bottle, milk drinks, food industry, tissues, corks, mostly artificial corks, drill bits. We print on outside packaging for some customers. Also toilet paper is necessary to have. Money, also security printing on money. Then cans, bottle corks again, and also book edge, where we printing on books. Inkjet today offers many new possibilities and enables many customized print jobs on various substrates, materials, surfaces, as you can see here. Some of them was mentioned, security printing and battery production is more or less coming more and more to printing, and aqueous packaging and labels. There's a lot of more possibilities in future we can do with inkjet technology. The further advantage are high grade of flexibility of substrates and precision, low setup time, low waste in most of disciplines, and compatibility with many substrates, as you can see before. Yeah, what you can see here is often what the customer is expect that we can develop, the egg-laying jack of all trades, or the Swiss Army knife. He want, beside the milk, the bacon and wool, and additional the eggs in wood, in bacon, and yeah. And we have to find out what is possible and how do we can produce such a system that he is happy in the end. Yeah, everything starts mainly in our laboratory. Here you can see a picture of our laboratory. Now seriously, we have to try and to map and understand the requirements of the customer, and that means a lot of testing attempts and find out what it takes to ultimately deliver the expected result and quality over time, not only in the laboratory environment, more and also in the everyday industrial production. That is what the customer need to have. Then it's time to test. Our technical team has a lot of data informations and knows exactly which print heads and ink and are best suited for which application and substrates in combination. And where we need information, we work closely with our valued partners. Some of them are sitting here in the audience, and these are supporting us very well. Yeah, components pairs are now formed in combination with the ink, and where is the expected to work tested, assessed and evaluated until finally the best pairing is systematically found out. Here on the right side you see a test engine of us where you can proper test different inks and printhead pairings. When the adjustments are made and the production requirements are adjusted, then we print sample for the customer and will in the end discuss it. For us it's lab. This is really the main focus, that we are really keen and sure that what we will develop in future, it works also in the environment of the customer. For extensive projects, after the satisfactory laboratory results and where the purchase order for an inkjet printing solution has been placed, we are in regular exchange and contact with the customer. Changes and adaptations can be made, but depending on the jointly agreed specifications. There is some point where the specifications cannot be adapted anymore, but it is during the process always possible and always a point that we can adapt some specifications. We are talking here about a tailor-made solution. We go the agnostic way, and the agnostic way means when the customer requests coming in, we have exactly to know the application and the requirements, and then we know the substrate where we have no idea how it works with some ink or printhead pairing. Then we have to test it, and we make the lab test and choose the needed components for the result what the customer do expect. Also the matching ink and printhead pairing, this is a key. And then we build a solution, and in the end, we hope we find the happy customer. And that is our systematically path. We go agnostic, and that with our partners. Without our partners, it's not possible. To walk the agnostic path together with our partners, it makes sense to have different print heads and inks and these partners to have at our side. Everyone masters corresponding disciplines, but not everyone masters everything. That is what we learned in the past, and together we can build the strength to develop a perfect solution. And all of this generates a competitive advantage for our customers with a specific requirement and eliminating risks. And so the customer is ready to go into production and with a new solution, one drop at a time. And on this moment, thank you very much for your attention. And hopefully you will meet us at our table stand. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Martin.